Hello guys, welcome to another lesson of our QuickBooks tutorial series. In this lesson, we will discuss reporting, file backup, and backup restoration. Let's go. If you're new to this channel, please click the subscribe button and notification bell to get updated on our QuickBooks and MS Excel lessons. Please open the file, the ABC company file that we use in our previous lesson. QuickBooks can generate various financial and non-financial reports the company needed for both external reporting or for compliance report like the balance sheet and income statement and internal reporting for decision-making purposes. You can also customize reports that will fit the company needs. To generate a report, go to menu, then go to reports. Reports are organized into different categories. For example, company and financials are for standard reports like the balance sheet and income statement, this one, profit and loss, and statement of cash flows. These reports are the one who are given to the external users like the SEC, investors, and creditors. Other categories are for internal use, such as the customers and receivable reports, like this one, AR aging, the sales report, for example, sales per or sales by customer or sales by items, jobs, vendors, purchases, inventory, and there are also non-financial reports like the list, for example, the customer's phone list, and accounting or item price list. In addition, there are also different report formats like um, standard or summary and detailed report. Select standard or summary if you want to show the whole picture of the company financial status. On the other hand, select details if you want a report with a complete information. For example, click profit and loss standard, which is a summary. Then adjust the date, okay, from October 1 to October 31. Then click refresh. Okay, so this is the profit and loss or the income statement of the ABC company for the month of October. Our net income is 101,923. Let us generate a detailed profit and loss report. Okay. Okay, select October 1 to October 31. Then refresh. So this is the detailed report or detailed profit and loss report or income statement. So it contains all the invoices and sales receipts. Another report for balance sheet, standard. Okay, as of October 30. You can also click anywhere instead of refresh. Okay, so this is the balance sheet for the month of as of October 31. Okay, so you can print this report or save as a PDF. Okay, so click save as PDF, then select the file location you want, then click save or type your file name here and click save. Okay, so you can also export the file to an Excel file. Okay, so if this is a new report to be exported, you can click create a new worksheet, or you can update an existing file or an existing report if you have any, if you made any changes, okay, for this month of October. Okay, or you can email your report. Okay, so let us try to export this report to an Excel file. Okay, click Excel, then click create new. Okay, then select create new worksheet and in a new workbook. Then click um, export. You can also create a CSV file here. Okay, so for now, we will select create new worksheet. Okay, click export. So be sure that you have an MS Excel installed on your computer. Okay, so this is your um, balance sheet exported to Excel file. You can edit. No? You can edit this report using your Excel. Okay, let's go back to our QuickBook location. Okay, let us have another example. This time an internal report. We go to report. Then, okay, let's try accounts receivable aging summary. Okay, so select a date, October 31. Okay, so this is your accounts receivable aging. So, you can see, okay, at the top, this is the number of days receivable is outstanding. Okay, okay, there is no 31 to 60 days, 61 to 90 days, because we only have 1 month transaction or recorded 1 month transaction. Okay, so we can also customize this report. Okay, so to customize this report, click customize here. Okay, so instead of 30 days aging period, we can reduce the aging period to 15. Okay. Okay, from 1 October 1 to October 31. Okay. You can also click the filter tab and add something, for example, due date. To December or to November 30. Okay. Then click, okay, the header and footer, company, um, report title, aging summary, Add 15 days. Okay. Okay, then click OK. Okay, so this is your accounts receivable aging for 15 days. Okay, so this is your AR aging. So we don't have any uh, data except for IMS because we only have a 30 days or 1 month transaction. Okay, so you can also memorize um, this report so that you don't have to customize this report every time you want a 15 days aging. Okay, so to memorize the report, click memorize. Okay, so this is the name of your report. Then select, you can save in memorize report through this group. Okay, example customers. Then click OK. Click close. So to go to your memorize report, go to reports, then memorize report. Then customers. So this one. AR aging 15 days. Okay. Okay, so next task is to back up your file. Okay, so every time you record a transaction in the QuickBooks, it is automatically saved to your database. You don't have to click save here because we don't have a save um, button here. Okay. So, however, there are times that your file will get corrupted or lost. Okay. So, to avoid data loss, it is advisable to back up your QuickBook files and store it in a remote data storage such as CD or portable hard drive or even a flash drive. So when an unforeseen event happens, you can always restore your backup files. To back up your QuickBook files, click File, then click Backup Company. Then create a local backup. Okay, so you can back up your file using an online storage, using this one, online backup. If you subscribe to the QuickBooks online backup, or you can select a local backup, such as your CD or a flash drive. Okay, then click Next. Okay, so your backup option is you can limit your number of copies, backup copies in a folder. For example, you can select 3. Okay, so then you can also set the reminder. So every time you close your company, for example, 4 times, the QuickBooks will remind you to back up your file. Okay, then select complete verification. Okay, so click browse, then find your disk or storage. Okay, so for example, this one, backup. So click the arrow, then select the folder you want to back up your file. Okay, so I will select this one, QB backup. Okay, so this is a flash drive storage. Okay, then click OK. Okay, so this is the file path. Then click OK. Then, okay, select save it now, or you can schedule the future backup. Okay, so save it now. Click next. Then type your file name. Okay, so this one will be okay. The backup date and time. Okay, so your file extension is .qbb. Okay, then click save. Okay, now click yes. Okay, no. Okay, verify. It will take less than a minute to back up your file. Depends on the number of transaction. Okay, then click okay. Okay, so if your data was corrupted and you cannot open your data anymore, so you can restore your backup file. Okay, so that is why it is advisable that you back up your file every time you close the QuickBooks application to avoid data loss. Okay, so to restore your backup file, click File, then click Open or Restore Company. Okay, so you can also click this one, Open or Restore a Company. Okay, so restore a backup, select Restore a backup, click Next. Okay, select Local Backup and find your um, file, the location of your file. Okay, so this one. Okay, so this one. Then click Open. Okay, click Next. Okay, select the file location. You want to restore your company. Okay, then type your file name. Example, ABC Company Restored. Okay, then click Save. Okay, then your password. Okay, so your data has been restored successfully. Okay, so this is your restored file. Okay, so this will be our last lesson for this training or tutorial series. So I hope you learned something valuable to run your business. So if you have a questions, please type it in the comment section. Happy learning!